Dental occupations. In the Dental Occupations program, students can study to become a dental assistant that will assist a dentist during examination and treatment of patients. Students learn to prepare patients for treatment, sterilize instruments, prepare materials and make study models from impressions, expose and process X-ray film, and provide chairside assistance for the dentist. Students can also study to become a dental laboratory technician assistant, where they will learn to work in a dental lab, assisting with the creation of dental prostheses, which are replacements for natural teeth. Dental assisting students are well prepared for dental hygiene school. Students planning to pursue this specialized field learn radiology, anatomy, dental procedures, instruments, sterilization, and other topics in preparation for further schooling. By completing this program, students are well prepared for their chosen careers in the dental field or for entering a post-secondary program for additional training.